Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Louisa, you are watching Loulou C'est la vie, and for today's video I'm going to share with you what I do to protect my hair from the sun. I don't know about you, but I don't want to reach the end of the summer, beginning of fall, only to find that my hair has been damaged by the sun. This year I want to make an effort to protect my hair from the sun the same way I protect my face from the sun. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the products that I use, the tricks that I do to protect my hair from the sun. With no further ado, let's get this video started. Okay, so the first very easy, very simple things that I do to protect my hair from the sun is to do a protective hairstyle. I'm not going to do a tutorial on how to do a protective hairstyle because there are many tutorials out there, so I'll leave it to the professional to show you guys how to braid and all that. But I'm just going to share with you my two favorite go-to protective hairstyle. The first one is a bun, either a high bun or a low bun. High bun if I'm not going to wear a hat, low bun if I am going to wear a hat. I like how versatile buns are. You can make them tight and really like all the hair pushed to the back, or loose and messy with a few curls popping out here and there. So this is a very easy, simple way to do a protective hairstyle. It takes you 2 minutes and you're out the door. The second one needs a little bit more skills, but again, there's a lot of tutorials out there on YouTube. But I love to do what you guys call a French braid, which is a braid that starts from the top and goes all the way down. Again, you can go very clean and pull back with this braid, or you can go a little bit more messy, a little bit more looser, and it works fine too. So those are my two go-to hairstyles. Another very easy, very simple way to protect your hair, and that is very stylish also, is to wear a hat. This is my favorite hat of the summer. I bought it last year in France and I've been rocking it since the weather's been really nice and sunny. Of course, the bigger the hat, the more protection you'll have from the sun. What I love with hats is that not just that they're stylish and that they make you look fabulous throughout the day, but also that they protect your hair and your face from the sun. Again, the bigger the hat, the more protection you'll get. With a hat, you can either leave your hair down, but I recommend that you still do a little protective hairstyle by bringing all your hair to the back and maybe leaving a few curls in the front. I have no idea how I look like right now, but this gives you the general idea. Okay, one of the cons to wearing a hat is that when you take it out, you end up having the dent of where the hat was. If it's a loose hairstyle, you'll definitely see the dent. Honestly, when I wear a hat, it's part of my style. I barely ever take it out. The one time I'll take out the hat is when I'm home and I'm relaxing and I am pretty much going to change anyway. Okay, so to each his own. Usually when I wear a hat, my hair will be in a tighter hairstyle, but it's up to you, girlfriend. Do you, boo? Okay, so that was for the easy, fast, simple ways to protect your hair from the sun. All right, so now let's talk about the product that I use on my hair to protect my hair from the sun. If you guys been following me for a little bit now, you'll probably have a little idea what brand I'm going to be talking about. It's a brand that I keep going back to every summer, and that brand, it's called, there it is, Sunbum. Sunbum, for those of you who are not familiar with this brand, they are specialized in sun protection for your skin. So they have a whole lot of sun protection product, from lotion to spray to sticks, for kids, for babies, for adults. And they also came out with a line of product for hair. They started with a all hair type, and I did try those products. I probably have a review somewhere, and I will link it over there for you guys to see it. From their all hair type line of hair product, I have two products that I absolutely adore. The first one that I used to put in my hair every day, almost every day, I think 2 years ago, is the 3-in-1 leave-in. This is what the bottle looks like. I'm pretty sure I have a review on this product. I absolutely adore this leave-in. It works very good on a day one. I have not used this with the clumping method yet, so I have to see about that, but it works well on a day 2 or day 3 to refresh your hair. It works well on a midday if you have high porosity and you end up with a poofy ball of frizz through midday. This will refresh your hair very nicely. It is not too heavy, it's not too light. It gives you enough moisture for your fine wavy to curly hair. And what I like about not just this product but the whole line of Sunbum hair product is that they have, I don't know if the camera is going to be able to see this logo right here. I don't know if the camera is gonna see this logo right here. This is a logo that indicates that the product has UV protection. So there is a little protection against the UVA and UVB, which are really damaging for your hair and your skin. I personally don't know of any other hair product that has a UV protection. If you guys know of any line of product that has protection, please put it in the comment section. I would love to get to know them and try them. So this is for all hair type, okay? The other product that I really like, and I just discovered this product, it's called the Scalp and Hair Mist, and this one, you guys, has a SPF 30 sunscreen spray. This one is a sunscreen for your hair and your scalp. Wet. I tried it on myself, on Ella, and on Nigel, and it does wonders. I have to say, at first when you use it, you see a little bit of a white cast on your hair. It goes away within a few minutes. You don't see it after that. This is not something you will use to style your hair, okay? It's not something I would put in my hair and do a clump method with. It's something I'll put on my hair once my hair is styled, once my hair is completely dry. Either I had a protective style and I'm gonna mist this on my hair to give an extra protection, or my hair is down and I will mist this on my hair again to give an extra protection. I don't believe this really weights your hair down, but it's something to keep in mind. Actually, let me show you how the consistency of the product is. So it is very watery, right? Very watery. It's very volatile. It is drying already. It is almost dry, and right now it is dry. Right now the product is dry, okay? So, and then you can see that, I don't know if you can see, but my hand has a little bit of shine on it. So here's your UV protection right here. When I put it on Ella's hair, I definitely saw a little bluish hue to it, but it was completely gone after a few minutes. So as far as I'm concerned, this is the only sunblock or sunscreen I can put on my hair right now, and trust me, this is in my handbag right next to my face sunscreen and my hand sanitizer. I will actually put a link for this product if I find it. I'm sure I will, in the description box if you guys are interested. Okay, now two other products that I really love to use in the summertime, again from Sunbum, because again it's the only brand that has a curly and a wavy line of hair product that has a UV protection to it. Okay, so that's the styling cream. This is the same as a regular leave-in conditioner. That's what the bottle looks like. I'm pretty sure I did a review on this product. If I find it, I will link it right here. This is what I'm wearing in my hair today. I use it doing the clumping method, and I paired it with my Bioterra gel. And this is the result I have, and I am having a UV protection throughout the day. So this is great. Another product that is great for refreshing your hair is the detangler. This I would probably use on day 2 or day 3. I will also use midday if my hair is drying out, but usually when I use this, my hair doesn't really dry out throughout the day. So yeah, those are my go-to styling products to protect my hair from the sun, and I will probably be showing them to you throughout the summer, because you know me guys, when I love something and I know it works, that's just what I'm going to be using. So that's that. Alright, so now we are done with the styling product. Let's talk about the after sun exposure care for my hair. After I've put all of this sun protection, UV, UVB protection on my hair, I'm gonna need to make sure that I am really cleansing my hair nicely. A regular shampoo with a little bit of surfactant in it is great, just to make sure that all these heavy UV protection and sun's SPF 30s are completely out of my hair. Lately, I've been using the Sunbum shampoo just because I've been using the Sunbum line of product a lot. So I'm thinking that their own shampoo would be the best to get rid of the excess product from their own brand. Makes sense, right? But really, any shampoo that has a little bit of a surfactant that you know will have that lather that will really cleanse the product out of your hair is a good thing. Now, will I shampoo my hair every day to make sure that I cleanse the product out? No, I don't want to. It will dry my hair more than anything. Sometimes I will do a co-wash, but the goal here is to make sure that you cleanse those products out of your hair as much as possible, especially on your scalp. And then we're going to do a mask. Now, I don't have any particular brand to recommend for this video. I believe that you already have a mask that you like, and use that. It doesn't really matter to me which one you use, but I recommend that you add a few natural products to your mask. By that, I'm thinking of honey and oils. Go to your kitchen, get your olive oil and grab your honey. Put 1 tablespoon of each in a cup and about 2 tablespoons of your favorite mask. Mix everything very well together and then apply it on your hair and let it sit for a little bit. Just put a little shower cap over that, and then try to do that weekly, my friends. Seriously, throughout June, July, and August, once a week, we really want to do a very repairing mask to our hair. They are going to need it, trust me. And to be honest, you guys, when I look at how I really take care of my hair, there are 2.5 months in the summertime from mid-June till like end of August where I will have to really pamper my hair and give it its moisture that it needs. And same thing in the winter time. There are like, well, it's a little bit more than 2.5, but I would say from November to February I'm gonna have to do masks in my hair, because again, the seasons are changing and the hair is gonna ask for that extra moisture. Well, this is it. This is all I have for you today. I covered everything I wanted to, from the protective hairstyle to the styling product to how to pamper your hair once you have exposed your hair to the sun. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question that you think I can help you with, but also share with us what products you like to use to protect your hair from the sun, what technique, what trick, what hairstyle you like to do. If you have any tutorial to share with us on how to do a cool protective hairstyle, feel free to share it in the description, the comment section. Also, in the description box, I will link the Sunbum hair product website if you guys want to check it out. And I believe that I have a lot of them in my Amazon store because they've been my favorites for years. I think I have to add this one, the Scalp and Hair Mist with the SPF 30. You guys, you need to try this product. I'm absolutely in love with it. And that's that, you know. All right, my loves, I'm gonna go, and I'm out of battery, so I'm definitely gonna go. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. This really helps me helps my channel in general. Leave a comment, subscribe if you have not yet, share with a friend if you think it can help them in their curly hair journey. And then that's that. Alright, I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, be happy, be healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.